In the case of A.Madhu, who was subjected to crowd lynching in 2018, his family has filed a complaint in the trial court to replace the government-appointed special public prosecutor C. Rajendran. It was Madhu's sister Sarasu who raised the demand in form of a petition at the SC/ST Special Court. However, the court said that the court had no right to change the government-appointed prosecutor and ordered to continue the trial. The court directed them that they could approach government with the same demand. Following this, Madhu's family again petitioned for the hearing to be adjourned until a decision is taken to transfer the prosecutor. The family members approached the court as several witnesses turned hostile in the case. They said other witnesses could turn hostile as they have been influenced by accused. Two main witnesses, Unnikrishnan and Chandran, turned hostile on Wednesday, saying that the initial statements was because of the continuous threat from the police. The family pointed out that the accused are trying to make witnesses back out from the case with influence, money, and power. The court adjourned hearing on Friday and directed that a decision be taken within 14 days on the transfer of the prosecutor. The court said that if the testimony is to be stayed, the High Court should be approached or else the hearing will continue on 14th. The special public prosecutor's statement in court on Friday that he was ready to testify and that the additional public prosecutor should not do so caused confusion. Additional prosecutor Rajesh M. Menon said the inquiry should be stopped as requested by Madhu's family and failure to cross-examine witnesses would affect the case. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.